Hello, Tattie here, and I've got a simple gardening tip for you today. Well, it's come to that time of year again where the leaves drop off the trees and they sit on your lovely cut lawn, and it's kind of unsightly. So instead of doing what most people do, like raking them up or burning them, there's a much better way. Just blow them or rake them onto your grassy lawn. Now, after that, you set your mower to a higher cut and just run it over the leaves. Gradually lower the height with each pass, and the blades chop the leaves finer and finer until they disappear between the grass blades. Now, what's happening here is natural mulching, because those tiny leaf pieces, they break down quickly, returning valuable nutrients back into the soil, right? This feeds your lawn, it strengthens the roots, and it encourages new grass growth. There are other benefits too, like the mulch helps the soil hold moisture, it reduces weeds, and it keeps the earthworms happy, which in turn makes the soil healthier. So all in all, it's less work for you, there's no smoke in the air, and a much better result for your garden. So a smart little hack that saves time and gives your lawn a little boost. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like the video as well. It really helps the algorithm, and let's get some subscribers in. Thank you. Please come back.